Do you have a qualified LastPass prospect? Would you like to provide them a first overview demonstration of this robust enterprise password manager? Welcome to this episode of Mastery Moments for LogMeIn channel partners. This is a Sales Insight edition. In this episode, we'll share with you a collection of 20 LastPass micro demonstration videos that can be used with your prospects to acquaint them with the key LastPass benefits and features. Hello, I'm Mark Troyer, your host for today's Sales Insight edition. In this episode, we'll share with you a collection of 20 LastPass micro demonstration videos that can be used with your prospects to acquaint them with the key LastPass benefits and features. To get started, we will begin with a quick recap on LastPass discovery skills. Following this, we will explain why these videos were created, how they are organized, and then how to use them in the early stages of a LastPass sales cycle. In the first episode of Mastery Moments, we discussed the must-ask questions for a proper enterprise LastPass discovery, mainly for product fit. Along with this first Sales Insight edition, we shared a PDF document that can be used to drive your discussion with your LastPass product. Let's quickly review the key question areas in this document. To begin, the primary target personas for LastPass is senior management with responsibilities in IT security. The titles that you may encounter for the most interested are the CIO, the Chief Information Officer, the CISO, the Chief Information Security Officer, and the Vice President of IT. The question areas in this document have been organized into 4 areas, which include the technical IT environment, regulatory compliancy, security risk mitigation, and finally, improving operational efficiency and employee productivity. The URL for this PDF document has been included in the episode notes. Before we review how these 20 micro demonstration videos are organized, let me briefly explain why they have been created. First, we in the LogMeIn Solutions Consulting Management team felt the need to model the top 20 scenes that any new SC should master for their own proficiency as a subject matter expert for the product. The second driver is that it is often necessary to provide a mechanism to educate the sophisticated buyer of the key needs for enterprise password management. This is particularly true in the early part of the sales cycle or the sales funnel when an opportunity is not fully qualified. In this case, it does not warrant an interactive demonstration with a pre-sales technical resource such as a solutions consultant. Finally, it is common the case that pre-sales technical resources are short in supply. These micro demonstrations can be used in lieu of the resources in the early part of the sales cycle. Now let's talk about how these micro videos are organized. As the name implies, these are 1 to 3 minute videos that are easy to watch by busy decision makers. They are organized by persona for end user adoption, the IT administrator, and the needs of the CISO. All of the 20 videos are hosted on YouTube in 3 playlists. If English is not your prospect's mother tongue, they can use the auto-translate mechanism in YouTube to watch these videos using the closed caption feature. We have also referenced a separate YouTube video that explains how this works in a few easy steps. We recommend using these micro demonstration videos after you have completed a proper discovery of your prospect's situation for enterprise password management. This applies for both resellers and MSPs, that is, managed service providers of the LastPass product. It should be noted that the videos are pre-sales focused. Other video content is also available that is more appropriate for post-sales implementation. Our recommendation is that you select 3 or 4 video scenes to present to your buyer prospect. Perhaps email them the URLs directly. The selection of the initial 8 to 15 minutes of video content should be based on the outcome and the notes from your discovery session. It goes without saying that an immediate call should be scheduled with the prospect after the video URLs are sent. That wraps things up for this brief discussion on how to use the LastPass micro demonstration videos. If you have further questions about LastPass or how to use these 20 LastPass micro demonstrations, please contact your LogMeIn territory channel manager. We hope you found that this Mastery Moment episode was useful. If you did, please click the like button and also consider subscribing. If you also click the bell icon, you will be notified so that you do not miss any future Mastery Moment episodes. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to having you in the next episode. This is Mark Troyer signing off.